We are going to your course page in Schoology, and you go to Unit 2. The video is about intelligent machines. So first you need to download the handout here. I have already downloaded that for you guys to be able to show you. So what do we have here? The skill focused lesson is about the cause and effect. Actually, from your other lessons and from your previous lessons, you already know the expressions to use for cause and effect. And let's have a look. So cause means reason, effect means result. So let's look at some sample sentences and to identify which sentence means cause and which sentence means effect. So the designers of the voice for BMW avoided having the car voice the word I as in I think you should slow down. So this is what this is an effect or a result because of the conjunction as. The reason for this was that they didn't want the car to sound bossy. So the reason for the reason, the effect, the reason, the cause for this is, so this sentence is the cause means cause. Next one, people also expect the voice in a car to match their expectations of the voice's personality. So this is what? This is again a cause as a result. So you see this expression result. So this is the sentence after it means the effect. Another one problem with using cars voices in a car is that because of the noisy environment of a car, the computer often has difficulty understanding the driver. So because of, again, it's what? It is a cause, and the second part is the result, or in other words, is the effect. So you can continue looking at other sentences, and also there's a mini lecture for you to listen and then write the cause and effect. You can write down here the sentence that you hear from a speaker, from the lecturer, and then here you can write down the cause, and then below it, underneath, you can write the effect or the result. And where to find the lecture, I'm going to show you where to find it. You go to your lesson folder again, you do this mini lecture, that's the mini lecture that I'm talking about, and then find the sentences that means cause and effects. And then you do the dictation, which lasts 3 minutes and 17 seconds. There are a few sentences there. You do the dictation. The dictation are all taken from the main video. And then you go to you go to the questions and you are doing the questions that I have posted here on your course page. I have posted the questions of the main video, tasks on intelligent machines. Yes, I'm going to publish them whenever you are doing it. So where to find the main video? The main video is again in here. You go to listening for media, and let me show you once again. Yes, you go here and you Control F, intelligent machines, and it's in here. It's a video, and you watch the video and you answer the questions in the handout, which have been posted on your course page as well. We can quickly have a look at the questions as well. So there are 8 questions. So the first one is about the organization of the lecture. How is the lecture organized? So what parts it has? Part 1, what is part 1 about? What is part 2 about? And what is part 3 about? Second question, how does John McCarthy define artificial intelligence? Yeah, what is the definition of artificial intelligence by this person? What are 2 main approaches? So you need to write approach 1, approach 2, and then examples of each approach whenever you finish watching it. What does the Turing test measure? So there is a test that the speaker is going to talk about, and what does this test measure? Then in the 5th question, what 4 human-like skills would a machine require to pass the Turing test? So there are 4 skills which are like those skills of a human. So machine is required to pass that test. You are writing here 4 skills, and then what are the 2 main differences between the Turing test and the total Turing test? So they are going to speak about 2 different tests, and you are going to write 2 main differences. What differentiates the Turing test from the total Turing test? Then what are 4 of the ways that artificial intelligent robots or artificial intelligence machines are used today? Again, you have to write 4 ways, and each way is calculated as 1 point. What topic will the lecture focus on next week? So this question comes at the end. At the end, the lecture says what will be the next lesson about. So again, please watch the video and post your answers on Schoology. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you later.